Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a simple creamy chicken and mushroom pasta. Firstly, I have 2 liters of water boiling. I'm going to add in my salt to taste. I'm also adding a splash of olive oil to the boiling water. And here I have a packet of 500 gram penne, of which I'm going to use half of this bag. I will allow this pasta to come to the boil and I'll give it 10 to 12 minutes till it's done. So while my pasta is boiling, I'm going to go through my ingredients for my creamy chicken mushroom sauce. Okay, here I have 500 grams of breast chicken, and I stripped it up in smaller portions. It's rinsed and washed out. And over here I have 250 grams of brown mushroom, but usually we use the white button mushroom. 1/4 cup of olive oil for braising, 1 large onions, 6 cloves of garlic which I crushed, and a little bit of fresh thyme. For the spice I have a tablespoon of chicken spice. For tasting I have a teaspoon of salt, but you can taste along the way. Then I'm going to have a grind of black pepper. I have 250 ml of fresh cream, but I'm going to use it accordingly to my sauce. For garnishing I have fresh dhania. Now when my pasta is done, so I'm going to show you all how I cook my sauce. 10 minutes has passed us and my pasta is not too soft because I'm going to allow it to still cook into my sauce. So I'm going to quickly strain this and get on to cooking of the sauce. I've got my non-stick frying pan on moderate heat. I'm going to put in my 1/4 cup of olive oil, and I'm going to put in my onions. I'm going to allow these onions to just get a little soft for a few minutes. My onions are nice and soft now. I'm going to throw in my garlic and my thyme. I'm going to add in my chicken and allow it to brown a little. Washed up my hands. Now I'm going to add in my salt so it can seep into the chicken. I give it a good mix and allow this to fry. Okay, you can see the water that released from the chicken has dried up. So now I'm going to use my chicken spice. grain of pepper. Allow this to fry out. I will just cover this for a few minutes and allow the spice to cook. 2 minutes has passed. You can see how beautiful the chicken is frying. I'm going to add in my mushroom, of which the mushroom will also release its own water. I'll give this a stir and allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. 8 minutes has passed. The mushroom and the chicken came to a beautiful fry. Now I'm going to add in my fresh cream very slowly to see how much I require. I used about 3/4 of this 250 ml cream. I will bring this to the low simmer before adding my pasta. It's been about 2 minutes and my fresh cream has thickened, and now I'm gonna drop in my pasta. I'll give this another 2 minutes and then my pasta is ready for garnish. Now the pasta is done, I'm going to put my stove off. And give it a quick garnish. So this is ready for serving. Here you go, a lovely weekend lunchtime meal, which is simple and delicious. Pranesh helped me to grate up some parmesan cheese, and he drizzled some of the olive oil. This can also be eaten with some lovely garlic roll or fresh rolls. This was a very quick and easy pasta. Hope you enjoy. If you have any feedback, I hope you'll comment, and thank you all for watching.